guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make candy pink color. For this we need a container, a brush, some water, some white color, red color and some cobalt blue color. So let's get started. For this we'll need 1/4 part of cobalt blue color like this, and then same 1/4 part of red color and mix these colors. And after that we'll take 1 part of red color and mix. And again after that I'm going to take 1/4 part of red color more, and 1/2 part of white color more, and there is some candy pink color ready here. So let me show it to you. I am applying on the paper. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, as most of the people are not subscribing to my channel. So please do it, as I also get motivated to make more such videos. And here is the candy pink color ready. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.